Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, using the copy feature to issue permits in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. TxPROS allows users to copy previously completed permits. This feature is especially useful for companies that frequently request the same type of permit using the same routes or vehicles. For example, it can simplify the process of ordering a general permit each week for the same vehicle traveling from the same origin to the same destination. To begin copying a permit, locate the desired permit on your customer dashboard. Under the Action column, click Select and choose Copy Permit. You will notice that all the original information is automatically filled in. This duplicates everything entered on the original permit. You can update any part of the application, except the permit type. For instance, if you are copying a portable building permit but need a general permit instead, you will need to create a new application. In this example, the permit type remains the same, so we can continue. We are updating the vehicle information by changing from unit number 1 to unit number 11. Once your changes are made, click Next to proceed. You will see that the origin, destination, and any via points or via highways from the previous route are already populated. If you want to use the same route, simply select Validate and Run. The highlighted route will appear on the map along with turn-by-turn directions. If the route is no longer valid due to new movement restrictions, you can modify it by adjusting the via points or by sending the application to TxDMV for review. For step-by-step instructions on how to do this, refer to our tutorial titled Getting a Requested Route Using Via Points or Highways in TxPROS. If no further changes are needed, click Next to continue to the payment process. This concludes the tutorial on using the copy feature to issue permits in TxPROS. For more information and additional tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov and enter the keyword TxPROS in the search bar.